Kangpokpi Jilagi Cycle Subdivision gi manung channa leba Iko Mulam Village da Nona Saba Kasturba Gandhi Balika Vidyalaya Residential School Hokhiba Irai Numita Sangakre. PM Sri Kasturba Gandhi Balika Vidyalaya asi Union Minister of Education Sri Dharmendra Pradhan na leibak asida piba khudolni. Sangabagi Thoram, the Minister of State Singh, Dr. Sukanta Majumdar, Jayan Chaudhry amadi Cycle Kendragi MLA Kimneu Hangsing na saruk yaki. Panba Yabadi School asi SC amadi ST gi nupi maheroi khaktagi school ama oiri. School asi class 6 tagi 11 fauba oiri. Amadi chaurakna maheroi chani rom mahei tamli. Loinana oja nupi Ramathoi khaktana lairik takpiri. School asi nupi meheroi singi lairik tamfam khaktana tana tongan ba makhalgi kanaba sufangli. Hokhiba July gi tang 13 numita Keithemanbi Cycle Bridge Vahgunnei haina khangnaba bridge asi Cycle Assembly Constituency MLA Kimneu Hangsing na inaugurate tokre. Keithemanbi da leiba inauguration thoram aduda Pastor Sadkai Chongloi na blessing prayer tobiki. Makhata na Vahgunnei Reconstruction Committee, Keithemanbi Youth Association, KCC, KBC, CBCA, TBA amasung Kuki NP Cycle na saruk yaki. SDO Cycle gi mityang makhada SDO Kaigola Kibgen amasung staff members sing na Luang Sanggol Khunda internally displaced people singidamak changdraba yadaba potlang sing yentokhi. Thoram aduda Luang Sanggol Khungi Khunja Singna essential materials kayagi mateng phangki. Hokhiba leibak pokpa numitta Assam Rifles na sinduna Kangpokpi Jilagi Veitum Khulen Village da u thabagi thoram ama pangthokhi. Maduda Assam Rifles ki personnel sing amadi khungi mioi singna u panbi 118 thakhi. Thorang asi Assam Rifles na miyamda environmental awareness hinna khanghanabagi pandamda pangthokpani. Masina National Mission for Green India gi vision hinna promote toba ngambada nattana Assam Rifles amadi miyam gi marakta afaba mari lehanbada achoba mateng oiragani. Trulok Theological Seminary na mahaki 42nd Foundation Day amasung new building inauguration gi thoram pangthokhi. This is the Lord's doing and it is marvelous in our eyes. Hairiba team makada chathariba thoram ado Saparmena village da pangthokre. Cycle Assembly Constituency MLA Kimneu Hangsing, Site 2 Assembly Constituency MLA Haukulet Kipgen, NCHAC Assam gi Deputy Chairman Ngulmilal Linthang amasung Executive Secretary NCHSC Han Samuel Changsan Assam na saruk yaki. CMO Kangpokpi na sinduna lemna layeng bagi camp ama Eklavia Model Residential School Site 2 Gampozol da pangthokre. Thoram gi saruk ama oina Chief Medical Officer amasung District gi medical team na health checkup pangthokhi. Mahakna typhoid, scrub typhus, diarrhea gi matangda awareness su pikhi. Hidak langthaksing su lemna pikhi. Thoram aduda saruk yakhiba Dr. Singh na hairambada preventive measures mangzona na loba mathau tai hairi. Ministry of Women and Child Development ki makhada centrally sponsored scheme ama oiriba nupi singbu henna strengthen, secure amadi empower tohannaba Bharat Sarkar gi Mission Shakti Sedan gi makhada 3 months tailoring course loisinbagi program pangthokre. Institute for Community Action and Resource Development ICART na sinnaduna chathariba 3 months tailoring course gi closing ceremony ICART Shakti Sedan Home Keithemanbi Military Colony da chathari. Thoram aduda Deputy Commissioner Mahesh Chaudhary, Sri and Sokhungambaite Additional DC amasung Sri Lamila Simte SDO Champaina Chief Guest of Honor amasung Functional President oikhi. Loiramdaida participants singbu certificate amasung top 5 participants sing na sewing machine yentokhi.